I just created a bunch of AI UGC video advertisements directly on Claude AI in one conversation, and the results are absolutely amazing.
This Frush Mango Mania is seriously good. It tastes like actual mango, not one of those overly sweet juice drinks. You can really taste the fruit, and it's perfect when you need a quick snack on the go. Honestly, I'd buy this again anytime.
And it's not just that I told the AI to turn a picture into a video, but what I did instead is I told the AI to do some marketing research to find out hooks and formats that are currently working right now in the industry. Then I told the AI to write me a couple of scripts and to create those scripts, and then I also told it to create a picture of a person using that product that looks like they belong to the target audience. And only then did I tell the AI to turn those pictures into videos. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. And to do all of this, we're going to connect a platform called Ads AI into Claude so that you can use it from one conversation without having to learn how to use anything else. And we're going to do that with the Ads MCP feature they just released. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. You can sign up to Ads AI MCP with my link in the description. But now let's get started. And now I use the word MCP in the introduction. So now let me very quickly show you what that actually means. So you don't really even need to understand what the words mean in the MCP. It just basically means that you're using some kind of a tool inside another tool. And in this case, it actually means that we're going to connect a tool called Ads AI, which is my go-to AI ad generator platform. And we're going to connect that with Claude AI so that we can run ads directly from Claude AI instead of having to jump back and forth between these two apps. And now, since I have the connection done, let us do something very simple over here. So I will tell the AI to create a picture of a cat using the Nano Banana 2 model. So Nano Banana 2 is an AI image generator that Google has released. It has absolutely nothing to do with Claude AI, yet because we have the connection from Ads, who has access to Nano Banana 2, we can just do it like this here directly in the Claude AI conversation, and it starts to work on the picture right off the get-go. And after about 30 seconds, here it is. So it says that the cat image is ready. Here it is generated using Nano Banana 2. So now if I click on Show Image, it will open up a picture like this. Now, since we're in the Claude conversation, we can just continue this, very similar to what the workflow builder allows you to do. So now I can, for example, tell the AI to turn this into a video. But that's some basic stuff over here. So now I will actually show you how to connect Ads AI into Claude AI so that you can run your ad campaigns directly here in one conversation. So for that, you just need a Claude account and an Ads AI account. Then here inside Claude, go to the Customize section, click on Connectors, click on this plus icon, click on Add Custom Connector, give it a name, for example, Ads. Then copy paste this URL into the view. So it is mcp.arcads.ai and click on Add. Then just click on Connect on the right-hand side. And now you have connected Ads with Claude successfully. And now once the connection has been established, every feature and tool is now accessible directly from Claude that you would normally use inside Ads. And now to finish the connection, you also need to allow Claude AI to upload to Ads and also to get images and videos from Ads to show directly in the conversation. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the profile icon, settings, capabilities, scroll down to this all network egress section and click on all domains, and this should do the trick. So now the connection has been fully established. And now with Ads connected to Claude, we can finally start to create UGC video ads without ever having to escape this one conversation. But before we make our video, we first need our product. And for this one is going to be this Frush Smoothie Mango Mania product. And to make a successful UGC ad that actually performs for a product like this, I at least don't really have an idea of what kinds of hooks I should be using and what kind of a video I should be creating in the first place. So what we need to do first is, before creating the video, we need to do the research and we need to identify what the top performing advertisements in this space are actually doing. But we are not going to do that. I'm letting the AI do that for us, because why spend time watching these random advertisements? We see ads enough already these days. So what I will do now is I will copy paste this prompt into Claude AI. So I will just tell the AI to search for the best performing UGC video ads for healthy, ready to drink fruit smoothies and grab and go breakfast drinks on Meta and TikTok right now. And more specifically, I'm telling the AI to identify the hook styles that appear most frequently in the top ads, the pain points being addressed, the tone, the pacing structure keeps showing up, what the winning actor types look like the age, gender, and setting, and then summarize the patterns so that I can use them in my scripts. So now let's just hit enter. And now Claude will pull up examples from my niche that are actually performing well for us. And this is the step that a lot of people tend to skip, and this also leads to the fact that the AI ads are not performing because the AI doesn't really know what kinds of ads it should be creating for which types of products. And after about a couple of minutes of research, the AI pulls up this kind of a storyboard that lists all these questions we wanted answers to related to the top performing UGC ads on the internet. I mean, this looks so impressive. If you hired somebody to do this kind of research for you, this part would probably already cost you thousands of dollars. Nonetheless, this is good. So now Claude understands what the product advertisements or the UGC advertisements look for products like this. So we're going to move on to the next step. So now I'm going to copy paste a prompt like this into the view. So I'm telling the AI that you are a senior performance marketer and a UGC ad script writer. My product is Fruit Mango Mania Smoothie. Then I'm also telling what it does, so a 100% fruit smoothie made from apple, mango, and orange that provides convenient, natural, and tasty on-the-go snack or breakfast option, and yada, yada, yada. Then the target audience is also here, so the health-conscious adults aged between 18 and 40 who want a quick, convenient, and tasty way to consume fruit during busy mornings, work days, or while traveling. Care about natural ingredients and healthier alternatives to sugar snacks and soft drinks. So this is basically literally just the description of what this product is for. And if you don't know how to describe the target audience, you can once again ask the AI to do that for you. So you can just enter a website URL if you want to. Then I'm just telling the AI to identify the top 3 pain points that the product solves. I wanted to write 5 UGC ad scripts, 1 per pain point, angle. Then each script is 18 to 20 seconds, natural spoken language, called audience. And here I'm also giving it the structure. So it is the hook, the problem, the solution, the proof, and the call to action. I also tell the AI that I want to have a score for each script out of 10 and only to keep the script scoring 9.5 or above. And then I'm also telling the AI to suggest me the ideal actor type for each script, so the age, gender, setting, and emotion. And now we can just hit enter and let the AI do the work for us. And here we go. Here are the results, once again in this kind of a storyboard format. And once again, this would cost thousands of dollars from a real professional. And now what we're going to do with these scripts over here is that we're going to create the actor holding the product in their hands for each script option over here. So I have typed in something like this. Using Nano Banana Pro, generate a starting image for our UGC videos for each script in the earlier step. So I want to make it go through these scripts that has the score of 9.5 out of 10, and then to create an actor image for each script to do the presentation later in the video. I'm also telling the AI to make the images look non-polished, relatable, and not looking like they're actual ads, but more of a recommendation from a friend or a next-door neighbor. So that is the whole thunder of AI UGC ads. So they don't look like advertisements. Then what I will also do is I will add a picture of my product into the conversation, and then I will add to that I want the actors to hold this exact product in their hands. And now I will just hit generate, and Claude AI will now start to use ArcAds AI to create the UGC actors holding this product for each script in one of the earlier steps. And after a couple of minutes of waiting, here are the pictures. So here's the picture number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. And I actually ended up creating this a couple of times because I realized that maybe I should make those pictures look like the target audience as well, because it is actually a drink that is sold over here in Finland. and it's pretty popular over here. So maybe I could actually make these people look like Finnish people. So now I'm really, really happy with these results. And I think this one's great, this one's decent, and my favorite was this one. And by the way, don't be confused if you do this yourself. Sometimes the chat tends to show those images as they are here in the conversation, but if you're creating multiple images at a time, it actually shows this kind of a show image button, and then here you need to open up the link to that picture. So please don't get confused by that. But now what we want to do next is we're actually going to turn this picture into a video. And now here's what's really cool about this. Because since earlier in the conversation, we created these 3 scripts or whatever many scripts we originally created, but in this one I did 3. Now I can just pick one of these based on the images that I liked here in the preview. So I can write in something like, turn the script number 3 into a UGC video where the person speaks the script. But on top of this simple instruction, we need to give some more context to the AI as to which model we want to use and what kind of a UGC video we actually want to create. Because if you just let it run on autopilot, the AI might use the existing voice library, it might do a lip sync, it might add some additional music to the script, which is not what we want. So what I recommend doing is also specifying the model. So for instance, right now the best AI UGC ad generator model and video generator in general is the Seedance 2.0. So let's tell the AI first to use that. So I will add in, use the Seedance 2.0 model to make the video. Then I'm also going to specify the quality. So if you don't want to wait for the highest quality and spend the credits on that, you can, for example, tell the AI to use 720p. So use 720p quality. Then I'm telling that I want the AI to make a 15-second clip, and I will also tell it not to do a lip sync, but use the Seedance 2.0 model directly. And then last but not least, I will also make sure that the AI includes the voice. So I will say, make sure the voice is included. I do not want a muted clip. And then I will tell the AI that I don't want music in the clip either. And then all I need to do is just send this to the conversation. And now ArcAds starts to process this picture I just showed you and turn this one into a UGC video where the person reads out loud the script that we created in the earlier step of the video. And please be prepared because this might take a second. And in fact, you might even get some kind of an error message here into the conversation, but worry not. It is just Claude who is trying to pull the video from ArcAds, but because ArcAds is not ready yet with the video, Claude is kind of going to give up. So all you need to do is wait for like 5 to 10 minutes and then here in the conversation tell the AI to get the video back again. You can actually even see that Claude does that sometimes automatically. So say check the video whenever you're ready and pull it up. So now we just need to wait for like 5 to 10 minutes and then come back to do this. And I actually had to do this a couple of times, so I came back to say, check the video. It said, still rendering. Let me try again in a moment. Then I told now, and then it says, here's the video. And now here is the result we get for this picture.
This Frush Mango Mania is seriously good. It tastes like actual mango, not one of those overly sweet juice drinks. You can really taste the fruit, and it's perfect when you need a quick snack on the go. Honestly, I'd buy this again anytime.
And I think that is super impressive. So it is very hard to tell if this is a real clip or not. And now what's really cool about this is that in the conversation, you can, for example, tell ArcAds to create 10 more similar clips to this. And you will never ever have to leave this conversation, which makes it super, super handy. And that is the power of using an MCP, for example, like ArcAds allows you to use. So basically, you don't need to learn the application, the ins and outs of it, all the bells and whistles, all the features, workflows, and whatnot. You can literally just connect this to Claude and start a Claude conversation. And whatever you have to ask, you can ask it. It will immediately know what is possible, what are the models, what you can do, what you cannot do. And then you can just tell the AI exactly what you want to do. You can tell Claude to do some research, and then you can put it all together to, for example, create an image or a video by just telling the AI exactly what you want to see in the content. But now make sure to check out ArcAds MCP with my link in the description. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good day.